Today, I'll show you how to hide and unhide drawings in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. TradingView gives you two main ways to do this. You can hide all drawings at once, or you can hide and restore specific drawings using the object tree. TradingView's Help Center says the Hide Drawings button is found in the Hide options on the left toolbar, and hidden drawings can be restored from the object tree and data window on the right toolbar. Let's start with the fastest method. Open your chart in TradingView and look at the left side toolbar. Find the Hide Options area and use the Hide Drawings button. TradingView says this hides all drawings on the chart at once. This is useful when your chart feels crowded and you want a clean view quickly without deleting anything. If you want an even faster shortcut on desktop, TradingView also published a keyboard shortcut for this. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus H. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus H. TradingView says this shortcut hides all drawings on the active chart, and if they're already hidden, pressing it again shows them again. So it works like a quick hide and unhide toggle. Now let's say you only want to bring back certain drawings instead of all of them. TradingView says you should open the object tree and data window from the right toolbar. Inside that panel, you can manage drawings, indicators, and symbols, including hiding, showing, or removing them. That's the main place to restore hidden drawings one by one. This is also the better option if you want more control. For example, maybe you want to keep your support and resistance zones visible, but temporarily hide trend lines or rectangles. In that case, the object tree helps you manage those items more precisely instead of hiding everything at once. TradingView's documentation specifically describes the object tree as the tool for managing visibility of chart objects. There's also another useful visibility feature in TradingView. If you want certain drawings to appear only on specific timeframes, TradingView says you can open a drawing settings, go to the Visibility tab, and choose which intervals should show that drawing. That's different from hiding and unhiding manually, but it can save you time if you only want some drawings to appear on certain charts. So, in simple terms, use Hide Drawings on the left toolbar. If you want to hide everything fast, use Ctrl plus Alt plus H on Windows or Command plus Option plus H on Mac for a shortcut, and use the object tree on the right toolbar if you want to unhide or manage specific drawings one by one. And that's how to hide and unhide drawings in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.